Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing this wedding guest makeup tutorial and this is the final look I'll be recreating. So let's get started. I'm going to prep my skin using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Massaging it all over my face, as you can see. Now I'm using Milagro 24K Pure Essential Oil and this gives really a nice soft glow to my skin. Let's begin with the eye makeup. I'm using LA Girl Pro Concealer to cover the darkness above the lid and also as the eye primer. Now I'm setting the cream product with some compact powder. I'm using the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette for the eye makeup. I have picked a soft brown shade and I'm blending this all over my crease, going back and forth with my brush. Now I'm picking this darker pink shade to match my outfit and blending it using a small blending brush. Now I'm gonna apply this beautiful gold coppery shimmer shade to my lid. And I'm blending it with the previous color used in the outer V. And now I'm using the Inglot black gel liner to do my wing. I always start lining from the middle and then go to the inner corner. Once the regular eye lining is done, I am extending the liner to make a sharp wing. When the eye makeup is done, I am using the MAC Studio Conceal and Correct palette in the shade medium and covering the dark circles and the black spots. I am using my favorite MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation and applying it all over my face using a kabuki brush. Also, don't forget to cover your neck and ears. I have now applied a lighter shade concealer to highlight the eye points of my face. And I'm blending it using a super cool beauty blender from the brand Gallows Vanity. Now I'm using the Laura Mercier loose powder to set my under eyes and all over the face. To add some definition to my face, I'm using the Wet n Wild contour powder. And for the blush, I'll be using the Forever 52 Butter Blush. To bring in some brightness and add an overall glow, I'm going to be using the Forever 52 Spotlight Highlighter Palette. For my brows, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Pomade. This is my favorite brow pomade and it's super long lasting. Going back to my eye makeup, in my lower waterline I am using the PAC Long Lasting Kohl Pencil. In the lower lash line, I am going to use the same shades that I used in the upper lid to create some definition. And for my lips, I'll be using the Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade 52. Got my bindi on, and I'm finally setting my entire face with the Smashbox primer water just so the makeup stays in place. And here is the final look, guys. If you have enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and share this video to your friends. Thanks for watching.